of military generals back in 2010, including General Paul Vallely. I've had him on a number of times. And so it scattered once the FBI came in and started doing their shit. But it's the group of people in America that have now come back together by the many thousands to support this now that it's officially constitutionally reestablished, including the states that were all put in the United States corporation that aren't part of the original republic. They went through the process for a number of years, completing it in 2010 through the Northwest Ordinance. All the new states are now legitimately part of the original republic because they went through this process. But it until Trump reached out to them in his first presidency, reached out to them to meet with an actual placeholder president, but they didn't meet because it was too hot still. Trump was under too much pressure and attacks. I believe he'll reach out to them here inevitably and eventually. But one of the things I said about I've been telling people that like Russell J. Gold believes Trump is, not, doing the right thing. I'm like, look, I said years ago, he is fighting. He has to fight from the inside of this thing. You can't defeat it from the outside. He's inside using their illegitimate, illegal, and unlawful weapons against them, i.e. executive orders. He's using all of their weapons to destroy them first. And then the process of restoring that republic, the original, will then come into reality. And that's when we're truly going to have our freedoms, because all their statutory bullshit goes away. And I don't want to pick on any part of it, like law enforcement or whatever, but all these speeding tickets and all that shit are unconstitutional. They will not be part. There's no harm, no anything. These are statutes. They are not laws. They never went through the legislature. So once we get back to the republic, we're going to have to police ourselves in many ways before we get stability. So I think a lot of the symbolism yesterday